Pi network analysts predict the Pi coin value after launch. Start mining before it's too late. This new cryptocurrency has received a great deal of attention from the public, and the answer to the question, if how much is it really going to be worth, will be revealed in this video, so stay tuned. Welcome to Crypto Live. Please like the video and subscribe to our channel to stay updated on our upcoming videos about cryptocurrencies. It is possible that many people may initially view this cryptocurrency as a scam, but ultimately use the Pi network to mine. It is quite obvious that if you are already knowledgeable about the Pi network, then it is far from realistic because you will not be charged for mining, and you will earn free coins just by installing the app and clicking a button every 24 hours. In fact, people are calling this the next Bitcoin because it requires zero work at all. Also, it appears that this scheme of earning coins is totally fraudulent. If you have watched our previous videos, you will see that this is not as scary as it was. We were not involved in a pyramid scheme, a Ponzi scheme, a multi-level marketing scheme, or anything like that. It doesn't require money to use the platform or to mine the Pi Network app. And if you think of a pyramid scheme as an established structure that exists almost everywhere, then it doesn't need to be money. It's true that every corporation has a pyramid shape, but that doesn't mean every corporation is a scam, since you aren't losing more money than you're making. Working for a corporation is what every individual does to make a living, not only in America, but probably across the globe as well. As a result, if we've just added that logic to the Pi network, we're not going to lose any money from the network. Actually, you don't lose any money since you don't put anything in, and all you're investing is a few seconds of your time every day. In addition to that, we know the company has some complaints about stealing your data and information, but there have been no reports that any data was stolen up until now. If you do not want to use the app every day, you can close it. You will spend only a few seconds per day on the app, so the question now becomes, if this company is not stealing your data and information, what is it actually doing? Likewise, if we eliminate the options that have been mentioned, then we can claim that the company is simply trying to build a legitimate cryptocurrency that could be the next Bitcoin. With the centralization of the first generation of cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, Pi Network seems to keep crypto mining accessible. A team of Stanford graduates has developed an app that allows users to mine coins using their mobile phones, validating transactions on a distributed database. This project launched Phase 1 of the project on Pi Day, March 14, 2019, with a free Pi mining app branded with the number Pi coins. By June 2019, there were more than 100,000 active users on the network, and a year later, when Phase 2 was launched, there were over 3.5 million users. To provide funding for the project, the app began running ads in May of 2020. As of June 2021, there were more than 18 million users, having crossed the $12 million mark in early February. Pi Coin is the cryptocurrency that runs in the Pi network. Just like other cryptos, like Bitcoin, Pi Coin has been designed to undergo periodic halving to ensure its scarcity. Halving describes the process of reducing the number of coins a user, once they mine, receives for processing new transactions by half when a certain milestone is reached. When Pi reaches 100,000 users, its mining rate halved from 1.6 Pi per hour to 0.8 Pi per hour, to 0.4 Pi per hour when it reached 1 million, and then it halved yet again to 0.2 Pi when it reached 10 million. After halving, it will be zero once 1 billion users are reached. In the current second phase of the project, you can volunteer to test the desktop Pi node software on your computer. However, when will Phase 3 begin? Will it be in 2021? The developers have not predetermined a start date for the third phase, but the schedule is dependent on how well the second phase goes. Pi nodes use an algorithm based on the Stellar Consensus Protocol, or SCP, instead of the proof-of-work protocols used in networks like Bitcoin or Ethereum. There are a number of nodes that collect, validate, and control transactions on a distributed ledger and reach consensus on the order of new transactions. As part of the SCP, Pi nodes group themselves into multi-user security circles, or groups consisting of 3 to 5 trusted people. With security circles, trust is built globally among nodes, so only trusted nodes can validate any transactions on the shared ledger. With Phase 3 of the project launched, holders will be able to take control of their private and public wallet keys, which they can then use to buy products and services on Pi's peer-to-peer marketplace or exchange for fiat. If the keys aren't present, users can't spend or transfer the currency they hold. It is a cryptocurrency wallet application that works with a user's phone number or Facebook account to manage cryptocurrency. Pi can be held by external wallets along with transactions that will be directly sent to the Pi blockchain. This is similar to numerous public blockchains out there, although its source code has not been publicly released, unlike the code of other blockchains. Many early adopters have accumulated Pi crypto in the expectation that its price will rise sharply after Phase 3 goes live. Even though the coin's mining rate has been halved, users can still increase their mining performance by participating in a mining pool. The Pi network will only accept new users. Whoever provides the referral code is responsible for the new member's account. The project's developers claim that the Pi network is more secure due to people participating in their networks, thus encouraging friends and family members to join it, which has prompted some question whether this is a pyramid scheme or multi-level marketing scheme. There are, however, restrictions on how users are allowed to earn coins, such as the fact that they are not permitted to earn coins from their connections' networks. The value of the Pi network has already been predicted by some cryptocurrency analysts. Let's take a look at what the Pi price is likely to be when it begins trading. How will the Pi network affect Pi coin pricing between 2021 and 2025? In the same way as other digital coins during the launch phase, the Pi cryptocurrency value is bound to start at a relatively low level against the US dollar and rise as its usage gains momentum. According to other price forecasts, what is the price likely to be? A digitalcoinprice.com analysis of the coin prices between 2021 and 2025 projected that the price of the Pi network coin would increase from an average of 1.07 cents against the US dollar in 2021 to 1.27 cents in 2022, then to 2.12 cents by 2025. As for the longer-term price prediction, it's predicted inflation would average 3.19 cents by 2028. A price prediction compiled by algorithm-based forecasting service Wallet Investor puts the Pi coin price at 1.32 cents with a downside of 0.743 cents. According to crypto exchange Chainlink, if Pi launches by the end of 2021, the price of Pi could reach $1, depending on how many users and exchanges it attracts. Over the longer term, the price could rise to $5 by 2025, Chainlink predicts. What does the future hold for Pi coin? There appears to be no problems with the scheme, and its potential to grow appears high. The project is relatively new, but the potential miners are confident it will succeed. It looks like Pi will have a very successful price in the future, says the developers behind the crypto coin. This currency has big future plans to become one of the most desirable cryptocurrencies of all time. A marketplace will be available for users to purchase products directly from Pi network apps using Pi coin credit. Also, they will let people purchase Pi coin for a price that is expected to change depending on how much demand there is and how much supply there is. Therefore, you would be able to purchase products using your Pi coins or sell them to someone else in the future based on the demand and the supply of the coins. The price of the Pi coin for 2022, 2025, or 2030 is impossible to predict, but these are just estimates. If we compare the Bitcoin price in 2013 with the price in 2013, it is just 7 to 8 years ago when Bitcoin was selling for under $20. But now Bitcoin has gone way too far from that. Thus, it indeed demonstrates the possibility and the variability. There is a possibility that the price may turn out to be higher or lower than expected, as well as the possibility that it will touch the sky. Also, there is an estimated value for Pi coin for 2022, somewhere between 1 cent and 50 cents. But there is another estimated value for the Pi coin for 2025, somewhere between 50 cents and $1. And for 2030, somewhere between $5 and $10. It is because of two factors: the future plans they have to build a marketplace, and their conceptualization of making Pi coin a paid entity. Clearly, they have such a large following of users that they understand their app and can buy and sell their coins, making it an ideal cryptocurrency for investors. That's all for this video about crypto, and thank you for watching. If you would like to receive updates on the crypto market, make sure you click the subscribe and bell button.